In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit funds into your Pocket Option account seamlessly. We'll guide you through each step to ensure you can easily navigate this process and get your account funded without any hitches. First, we need to head over to the Pocket Option dashboard. Now, I know this might sound straightforward, but it's important to start from the right place to make sure everything goes smoothly. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your account picture or icon. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking on your picture will reveal several options. From this list, you need to find and click on the deposit option. By selecting this, you're opening up the gateway to various depositing methods that Pocket Option provides for its users. It's crucial to choose the right deposit method that suits you, as this will make your transactions more efficient and tailored to your needs. For today's guide, let's consider using USDT, which is a popular choice due to its stability and wide acceptance in digital transactions. Now, when you're at this point, you'll see an option to check a box that says, I have a promo code. This step is especially beneficial if you happen to have a promo code available, as it could grant you some fantastic bonuses or benefits that are always handy when managing your funds. So go ahead and tick that checkbox if you do have one. After that, simply enter your promo code in the designated field. Make sure you type it accurately because any error here could prevent you from receiving those extra perks. Once your promo code is entered, it's time to move on to deciding the amount you wish to deposit. This is entirely up to you and should reflect your trading needs and goals. Whether you're starting small or making a more significant investment, ensure it's an amount you're comfortable with. Once you've made your decision, enter that amount in the space provided. Now, we're almost at the finish line. After entering your deposit amount, it's important to confirm the payment on the right. This step finalizes your deposit request and ensures that your funds are on their way to your Pocket Option account. Double-check everything to make sure it's all correct. It's always better to be safe than sorry. And there you have it. You have successfully deposited funds into your Pocket Option account. With these steps, the process should be hassle-free, and you're now ready to explore new trading opportunities. I hope this guide has been helpful and clear. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.